Hello and welcome to my channel. For recipes and instructions, see below. Today I am preparing leek and ricotta strudel, golden flaky puff pastry wrapped around a creamy filling of leeks, ricotta, Parmigiano Reggiano, and a touch of heat from fresh hot pepper. This rustic Italian-inspired strudel is hearty, flavorful, and perfect for any occasion, whether as a main dish, side, or appetizer. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to prepare the filling, assemble the strudel, and bake it to crispy perfection. Simple ingredients, big flavor, and that satisfying crunch when you slice into it. If you love savory pastries and Italian comfort food, this recipe is for you. Stay tuned for instructions. Instructions. Prepare the leeks. Cut the leeks, soak, and rinse well. 2. Cook the filling. In a skillet, heat 2 tablespoons olive oil. Add the leeks and cook until tender. Deglaze with white wine and water. Use more water than wine so the flavor stays balanced. Season halfway through with a pinch of salt and pepper. Let cool. 3. Mix the cheeses. In a bowl, combine ricotta, Parmigiano Reggiano, hot pepper, and a little salt. Stir in the cooled leeks until well blended. 4. Prepare the pastry. Roll out 1 sheet of puff pastry on a parchment-lined baking tray. Brush lightly with olive oil. Spread the filling evenly on top. Cover with the second sheet of puff pastry, pressing the edges to seal. Brush the top with olive oil and prick with a fork to prevent bubbling. 5. Bake at 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes. Remove from oven, carefully flip the strudel onto another parchment-lined baking sheet and bake for another 10 minutes to crisp the bottom. 6. Serve. Let cool slightly, then slice and serve warm.